All right, ladies and gentlemen, I got a fresh pair of shoes in. So when I saw the pictures online on these, I thought I really wanted to buy a pair. So I went ahead and I purchased an early pair. Now when you buy an early pair, you either buy it from Goat or StockX, and you're gonna pay a little bit extra. These shoes were actually released overseas, and so these came DHL. These came from either Europe or Germany or somewhere, because I think they released them there first, or maybe in Japan. But it has a European tag on it. So I'm a size 11.5, but this box is a 10.5, which is a European size. So I don't know exactly which country these were released in, but when these Air Max 90s came out and I saw the pictures of them, I had to get an early pair so I could share them with you. So the reason why I bought these is because, let me introduce them. Let me introduce you to them. So this is the Air Max 90 Bubbles. And basically what this shoe is, and I'm going to try and show you with my lighting here, if I can get it to focus in. See all the little bubbles around it? Man, I thought this was a crazy, crazy shoe. Got the Nike Air on the back. It's kind of an off-white beige look. And then it's got this giant Nike tag on it. And yeah, so this, I thought this might have been like a Harlequin paint, you know, like it changes colors as you go, but it's really a satin finished, almost like an automotive satin kind of finish to it, but these colors are permanent. So it's not like it changes colors like a chameleon or Harlequin. So, you know, that is a purple paint, and that's blue. So, and this is green, and it stays that color. It doesn't change as you move the light around. So just wanted you to be aware of what it is. This is one of the reasons why people wanted to see these ahead of time, because they wanted to know what that was. I was really curious about that, but I was also so curious about the bubbles. So all of the material on the front, as you can see here, this area right here, and then the area around the back, and then this area here, along with, hopefully this will focus in on that. There you go, that Air Max logo. And so the bubbles on it are, you know, I wanted people thought, oh, it's like bubble wrap, it's gonna get all dirty. Actually, this is like a positive rubber material, almost like the best description would be like a rubber floor mat. You know, one that you would rub your mud off of or something, but it's a soft, super soft rubber. So it's not like packing material bubbles. You've got to kind of feel it for yourself, but there are solid rubber bubbles. So there's not like air pockets inside of these air bubbles or these bubbles here. So this same material, like I said, gets used on the toe, the white on the bottom, very, very normal Nike Air stuff. And it's kind of a rather heavy shoe. You know, as far as Air Maxes are concerned, two of them in your hand, you can definitely feel them. They're not a lightweight shoe at all. It's a durable shoe. Lots and lots of rubber on the bottom and super comfortable. But there it is, the Nike Air Bubbles, Air Max 90 Bubbles. Okay, thanks for this short review. My name is Mike Harper, Harper Explores. Please follow me on Instagram at Harper Explores. And if you're interested in seeing anything about K-Swiss shoes, I have another channel called the K-Swiss Army, since I am the #1 collector of K-Swiss shoes in the world. So here it is, kids. Share it. Leave any comments you have below. If you have any questions, I will definitely answer them. And these should be releasing, I think, in April. So they'll be available here in the United States in about a month. All right. Thanks, guys.